Hello, everybody. This is Cindy Greenway, the editor-in-chief at lawmarketing.com, the premier resource where attorneys and legal marketers go to for information on the business side of law. And I'm very excited here to be with Chris Dreyer, who is the president and founder of Attorney Rankings, an internet marketing agency specializing in search engine optimization, pay-per-click management, and social media marketing. So welcome, Chris, to our call here today.
Hi, how's it going? Happy to be here.
Great. Thanks so much, Chris. Now, I'm really excited about our interview here today because we're going to be talking about a topic that I'm curious to learn a little bit more about. And I know that attorneys as a whole are a little bit unsure of how this social media platform contributes to their law firm marketing. So Pinterest is our topic, or Pinterest, depending on how you say it. And share with us, if you will, what is Pinterest and why is it so important for us to pay attention to right now?
Okay, Pinterest is a new social media platform. It's been growing tremendously in size.
Mm-hmm.
I just looked at a study on it was either Business Insider or Forbes that March 2012, Twitter had 182 million visits, but Pinterest had 104 million visits.
Wow.
So you can see the size and how quickly it's growing. It's a great medium for images and video, and it's just another great way to market your firm online to extend your social reach.
Okay. So there's some confusion though on how do we use it because I know we've seen pictures of different foods or fashion and stuff like that. So how does an attorney use Pinterest to their advantage?
Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to create and claim your website URL. Many people don't know this, but just by claiming your website URL, you'll get a PageRank 8 backlink. That is a do follow backlink, so it's great for SEO. But what attorneys need to start doing is just including images and video into their blogs so it gives their visitors an opportunity to repin the content onto Pinterest.
Okay. So give us an example of how an attorney can implement this. So the link is important, so just claiming the URL. And then what kind of pictures and so on should they be posting up there? Should they connect directly to their blog content? Or tell us a little bit more about that.
Definitely, the pictures should connect to their blog content.
Okay.
It's great. Sometimes it's difficult to get a correct picture for the blog content, but you can just take an image and put font or put text over the image describing what the content is about, and those
Okay.
are very great for repinning. So basically what a law firm needs to do is claim their profile and create a summary, and then they need to create these niche-specific boards. And this is where a lot of law firms I see are going wrong. These are the best places to rank well in the search engines because you can really put keywords into these boards, and you need to put niche-appropriate content into them.
Okay. So what would you suggest would be sort of the top 3 steps an attorney would implement right now if they have never started a Pinterest account?
The first thing they need to do is to claim their profile,
Okay.
write a great summary using keywords.
Okay.
The second thing that I would recommend doing is having images and video as much as possible into their blog content.
Okay.
And then the third thing that I would recommend doing is to create these niche-specific boards. So if I was going to give you an example, if you're a criminal defense law firm,
Mm-hmm.
you would have a DUI board, manslaughter, whatever types of specializations and cases that you would want these niche-specific boards.
Okay. So when someone logs into Pinterest for the first time, is it pretty easy, Chris, to identify what kind of boards you need to start working with and so on? Is it relatively simple for a first-time user?
Oh, absolutely. It's
Yeah.
very simple.
Good.
You can do a search and you can look at other law firms and see how they're doing things, and that'll get you started. And if you mess up, you can create a new board or delete the one that you already created.
Okay, great. Well, I have a feeling that I'm going to be checking in with you a couple more times on this topic because, Pinterest is such an important platform to pay attention to. But I think a lot of us are just kind of unsure on how does it really benefit us and how does it help us get in front of more clients. So, seeing that or hearing that statistic that you shared with us earlier on the number of users, which is, beyond Twitter users, really incredible to hear. So, great. So I think we're going to be hearing more from you, Chris. But thank you very much for joining us. And where can people find you online?
The website is attorneyrankings.org.
Great. All right. Thanks very much,
Thank
Chris.
you.
We'll talk to you real soon.
Thank you so much.